Welcome to the Chuck Williams Culinary Arts Museum at the Culinary Institute of America at Copia in downtown Napa. This collection of more than 4,000 culinary artifacts celebrates the craftsmanship, beauty, and diversity of cookware and kitchen tools. Today we'll be taking a look at this shaker wood butter churn, an agitator paddle. This butter churner is from an American shaker community dating from 1850 to 1890. The staves of the churn, as well as the dasher or agitator paddle, are made from fruit wood. Most butter churns used a plunge-like churn to make butter with this agitation process. The stick or dasher itself is a round wooden pole attached to a paddle at the end in the shape of a plus sign. It was called a dasher because the paddle was dashed up and down in the cream through a hole in the lid. The Shakers who used this butter churn were a religious community who chose to live in rural colonies away from the corrupting influence of the cities. In the 1800s, there were 19 shaker communities in America, in the Northeast, Ohio, and Kentucky. They believed in pacifism, simplicity, and hard work. Also central to their belief system was a self-sufficiency, and the Shakers aimed to produce all their own food, including butter. But making butter was no easy task. Even with several helping hands, making butter in a churn like this one was a very laborious and lengthy process. The cream was skimmed off the top and then placed into the churn. Churning and agitating the cream with the wooden dasher caused the fat to clump together. The cream goes through many stages before becoming butter. First, it becomes whipped cream. After the foaminess has settled, it becomes thick and pudding-like. At this point, lumps of butter start forming. The leftover liquid from the butter-making process is called buttermilk. This watery cream was poured off and used in the home or given to farm animals. The butter from the churn was then kneaded and salted, both for flavor and for preservation. Butter churns like this one were replaced by more efficient barrel churns mounted on wooden legs with a hand crank. Gradually, factory-made butter became widely available across the United States. Today, of course, Americans rely completely on commercially produced butter. In 2022, the United States saw the production of more than 2 billion pounds of butter, with the U.S. Department of Agriculture reporting on an annual per capita consumption of 6.5 pounds in 2021. Fortunately, the days of laboriously churning all that butter are behind us.